How to reset your Fifth Third Bank password. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset your Fifth Third Bank online banking password in just a few simple steps. First off, you can open up your web browser and then simply go to 3.com, or you could just search for 53rd Bank online banking. Once you have done that, you could just tap on the first link that you see on the home screen, which is 53rd Bank. That is 53.com. And at the top right corner, you'll find the online banking login section. Head over there and just tap on it. Now, all you have to do is you don't even have to enter your user ID. You can directly go to Forgot Login button at the bottom here, right below the login button. And it will take you to the password reset page where you have to provide some of your information, like your last name, last four digits of your social security number, and then zip code as well as your account or card number. Then tap on next and proceed. Now you can just create a new password. Make sure it's strong by including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter to confirm your password and then click on submit. Once you see the confirmation message, your password has been updated successfully and you can log in immediately with your new login credential. And that's basically it. It's a pretty simple, secure, and easily completed in just few simple steps. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon for more quick banking tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.